it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. So even though I'm practicing social distancing right now and I'm being very good about staying in my house completely, I have been trying to go for walks a little bit lately, and it's pretty damn hard to not notice that spring has sprung. Right outside my window there is a massive magnolia tree that is blooming, and whenever I'm taking walks there's daffodils, there's flowers everywhere, which means my allergies are acting up, which means I'm pretty convinced that I have COVID-19, but I don't have COVID-19, I have seasonal allergies. Because of this beautiful spring weather, I did want to put up a spring makeup tutorial for you guys, and you might be saying to yourself, Linda, if you're doing a spring makeup tutorial, why are you wearing all black? And that's because some of us, Becky, wear black 24/7 all year round. Like, you know how in Steel Magnolias, Shelby was like, pink is my signature color? Well, who else feels me? But this video is also going to be a sort of celebration of sorts because my friend Samantha just put out a collaboration with Ofra Cosmetics, and she was kind enough to include me on her PR list, so I was able to get the whole collection. I haven't even touched what's inside this box yet because I wanted to do this on camera with you guys, and I'm so excited to try everything in here. But before we can officially start, you know what comes next, and it's the cat candle. We light this cat candle only while I am filming videos. There is a skeleton inside, and update, his face is starting to cave in. Do you see this? We've lost both ears. His face is starting to cave in. I just want to see what's inside. Cat's on fire, we can officially start. So the idea of a spring look was inspired by people like Michelle Wong did a fantastic, gorgeous look on her Instagram page where she has this bright, glossy lip. And then Kate the Great Beauty, did this beautiful, glowy skin. I'm sort of doing my own spin on spring, which is skin focused, like hella skin focused. I like blushes and bronzers and highlighters, glowy skin, really simple on the eyes. I'm probably gonna do a cat eye. And then I'm really excited to use the lipstick that's in here, which is kind of a mauve. And let me just show you the whole collection first. First of all, I think it's so cute that it's designed like a book because Sam is also an author, but there are 3 face products inside and then 2 lip products. First, let's take a look at this bronzer that's called River. So the idea of this collection is that all of these are duos. This one has a matte bronzer and kind of a sparkly topper bronzer, if you will. And again, this one's called River. It looks so beautiful, and the tone of it looks pretty good. I think it's gonna be good for my skin. I'm gonna apply it really light to start, and then we can go in a little bit heavier, but let's move on to this blush that's called Chicklet. Again, with this one, we're using the same kind of duo idea. We have a matte blush and a blush topper. Beautiful, beautiful color. So the blush is a sort of dusty rose color, and the topper is this gorgeous like pink with some gold shimmer undertones, and I think it's gonna look really lovely on the cheeks. But I mean, you guys know me, and I'm a highlighter girl, so start inspired. The highlighter is what I'm most excited for. So this highlighter is a combination of 2 of Ofra's highlighters that they already had out. We have Pillow Talk, which is this beautiful pink color, and then we have Star Island, which is more of a gold tone. And Star Island is one of my favorite highlighters of all time. I'm really curious to see what happens when I swirl these 2 together because Ofra highlighters are those you can see me from space highlighters, and I'm pretty excited for it. Then finally, we have the 2 lip products. We have this long-lasting liquid lipstick in Story, and then this beautiful pearly gloss in Millie. And Millie was the name of Sam's grandmother, who is kind of a lot of the inspiration for this whole collection, so I thought that was really sweet. We are going to be using all of this. Again, I'm just going to be doing light on the skin and just glowy, 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 glowy. I'm going to start with a little bit of my NYX High Glass Primer. This is really similar to the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfectors or the Becca Backlight Priming Filters in that it just gives your skin a nice overall glow underneath your foundation. So you can see that it just gives a really nice glow that is very, very natural, and it's not sticky at all. It sinks right into the skin. I really love this, and I'm really nervous it's going to be something that's limited edition, so I might buy 47 of them. For foundation, I'm just going in with the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer. I have really, really been liking this, and I especially like this as the weather gets warmer. I feel like it's just a nice light coverage that's really moisturizing. So what have you guys been doing to keep yourself busy during this whole mess, pandemic mess? I have been doing puzzles, surprisingly. I am not a puzzle girl, but my husband bought me a puzzle kind of on a whim. He still has to go into the office every day, unfortunately. He is safe, but I have been at home and I've been working my bum off when I've been working from home. We've had a lot going on where I work currently. Nothing bad, just a lot going on. So my husband got me this awesome puzzle that has like constellations on it, and it's beautiful, and it's got, the signs of the zodiac, and it's got kind of nebula colors, which is, some of my favorites. And I spend all this time putting it together to find out there was a piece missing. There was one piece missing. I felt like I wanted to rage and flip the table. Like, I looked at it, I was like, are you kidding me? And I started flipping the chairs upside down and looking through my couch cushions and looking through my carpet to make sure it didn't drop. No, it didn't. Just wasn't a piece in there. I'm using my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, which I found out has been discontinued. So I'm kind of using this one, I'm trying to use it up so that I can force myself to use other concealers, because there's other concealers out there. There was one piece missing, so I went ahead and I went onto the brand's website, which some people had suggested to me. And right there, like on the front page, there's something that's like, hey, if you're missing a piece, click here. Is this a common occurrence? Because if so, I don't want to do any more puzzles. That's messed up. It took like a week to put this thing together, and then there's one piece missing, just one. So the fact that I was using this puzzle to kind of quell my anxiety, that didn't help. So again, the base for this is extremely light, but that's exactly what I wanted. So now I'm going to go in just with the ColourPop Brow Boss Gel, and this is in dark brown. I've been liking this lately for a really, really light coverage on my eyebrows. They're pretty terrible. They're always going to be terrible until I get them microbladed someday. So I just want to keep them natural and fluffy lately. I don't want to fill them in like I used to with the Anastasia Dip Brow. I just literally run this through, and it just gives it kind of a more polished look. Okay, it's time to dig into the collection. I am first going to go into River, which is this beautiful bronzer, and I'm going to start with the matte side, and then I'm going to move on and do a little bit of the shimmery side on top, and we'll see how we like it. Oh, that's pretty. It is a nice warm color, but it's not overly orange or anything. I do like that. It just warms up the skin. Okay, I'm gonna take that same brush and I'm going in very lightly into the shimmery side because I don't know how shimmery it is yet. I'm gonna put that just kind of right on top. Okay, so a little bit goes a very long way, but I do really like this color. Like, I would use this as a blush color too. And the shimmer is not bad at all. It's not very noticeable. It's very light. I'm gonna go over that with a clean powder brush just to blend that out a little more. Very nice. Look at that. I like that. I'm also gonna take a little bit of that shimmery side and use a crease brush and put a tiny bit of that in my crease. I don't want a whole lot of eyeshadow on today, but I'd like a little something. Oh, and that's perfect. And yes, I know you're not supposed to put shimmers in your crease, but you can't tell me what to do. I'm also gonna do a tiny little baby wing on each eye. I'm not gonna do anything super dramatic. Like, there's part of me that wants to go super dramatic, but I'm just gonna do it kind of subtle and light and cutesy because it's spring. Also, I feel like I always ask for this, but help me out again. And please, in the comments down below, put your recommendation for a good cruelty-free eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, because I'm still using this of She Who Will Not Be Named. And once this runs out, I need something new. So if there's anything that's similar in formula to She Who Will Not Be Named, that'd be rad. To finish off the eyes, I am going to do a light coat of Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara after curling my eyelashes with the Wand of Death. Also, comment down below and tell me what shows should I be binge watching right now, because everything that I love to watch, I'm actually watching live right now, which is not usually like me. Big fan of Schitt's Creek, huge fan, massive, and I'm really upset that as of the time I'm filming this, there are only 2 episodes left. That is devastating. I'm also watching Drag Race, Not sure how I feel about this season. I'm not particularly enjoying it. What about you guys? Who do you like? Who don't you like? What bums me out is that I seem to really like Sherry Pie, which no point in that. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Chiclet Blush Duo. I'm gonna start with the matte side and using just a Duo Fiber brush. Ooh, little bit goes a very long way. Ooh, I made a mess. I'm probably gonna go with a little more blush than normal. Wish me luck on this. Oh, that's so nice, and it's buildable. I am a blushy bish. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of the blush topper on this super fluffy brush, same difference. I'm just gonna apply that right on. Oh, can you see this glow? Look at that. Oh, that's just from the blush topper? Oh, ooh, she's shiny. Oh, I love a blush topper. They don't get enough love in this world. Then on top, we're gonna go with the Start Inspired Highlighter Duo. I am just gonna swirl my brush in here. Now, Ofra highlighters are intense, so just be aware of that. But, oh my gosh, I keep taking off all these mirror stickers. Let's see. That's an Ofra highlighter. Wow. Wow. That's a lot. Okay, maybe that's a bit much. Little on the nose. So you could technically stop right here and be fine, but I'm not gonna stop. I'm going in with the liquid lipstick in Story. If you've never tried Ofra's liquid lipsticks, the formula is lovely. It is smooth, it is not too drying, and it's beautiful. This color is so beautiful, and I really feel like it's gonna be lovely on a variety of skin tones. I'm gonna put a little bit of the Millie Gloss on top. I just kind of wanna pat this on gently. I don't wanna put it all over my lips and then dip this back in. So I'm just gonna put this right on the center. So that is it, you guys. This is how I sort of see spring makeup on myself. I love how glowy my cheeks look. Look at that. It makes it look like I actually have cheekbones, which I don't. They were removed from me in the 3rd grade. Just kidding, they're still there. But it's this warm kind of blushy beautifulness. Congratulations again to Sam. If you guys want any of these items, I am gonna list them down below. I'm also gonna list Sam's affiliate code so you can get some money off. But this collection is really beautiful. I can see this being my go-to cheek for the rest of spring. Just saying. As always, I hope you all are doing well. I know that these are rough times, but I hope that YouTube is kind of bringing you a little bit of solace. I know it's doing that for me. I've been watching a ton of it. I have it playing in the background while I'm doing work, and it's just been a huge help. It kind of takes me out of my head and brings my anxiety level down a little bit, and being able to talk to you all also helps me with that. So thank you for letting me have this platform, and I genuinely appreciate every one of you being here. But that is it. Tell me down below what your favorite kind of spring looks are. You all can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those are all GlitterFallout. I do put out new videos here on YouTube every Monday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and some other days as well. There might be some extras sprinkled in here and there. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Rockstar fam. As always and forever, you are super freaking rock stars, and I love you with my whole heart, the one that's like right in this region. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.